Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Mambo Africa. Bridges are virtual arteries, uniting communities, powering trade and overcoming East Africa's diverse terrains. Today, we are counting down the 7 longest bridges across Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania as of 2025. Stick to the end because we have a bonus bridge that was recently completed. Number 7, we have Nyali Bridge in Kenya, Mombasa, spanning about 392 meters across Chudo Creek. It was opened in 1980 and remains a key urban link into the island city. Number 6, Kilifi Bridge, Kenya. It's the longest at 420 meters, completed in 1991. It bridges Kilifi and Mnarani over the Tidog Creek, crucial for coastal connectivity. At number 5, we have New Jinja Bridge in Uganda. The cable-style New Jinja Bridge, also called the source of the Nile Bridge, spans at 525 meters, commissioned on 17 October 2018. It's Uganda's longest bridge and a key section of the Northern Corridor. At number 4, we have Nyerere Bridge in Tanzania. Officially, the Kigamboni Bridge measures 680 meters and was opened on 16 April 2016, providing vital 6-lane access between Dar es Salaam and the Kigamboni Peninsula. Number 3, Unity Bridge, Tanzania and Mozambique. Crossing into Mozambique, the Unity Bridge, which is 720 meters long and inaugurated on 12 May 2010. It links Tanzania to Mozambique over the Ruvuma River, symbolizing regional unity. As the name goes, Unity Bridge. At number 2, Mkapa Bridge, Tanzania. Tanzania's Mkapa Bridge over the Rufiji River stretches at 970 meters. Inaugurated back in August 2003. It was one of the East Africa's longest road bridges at the time it was opened. It also opened southern regions to the year-round access. At number 1, we have Mwache Mteza Bridge in Kenya. Mwache Bridge spans about 660 meters. and the Mteza Bridge is said to be around 1.4 kilometers, making it one of the Kenya's longest bridge. And finally, we have Magufuli Bridge, the bonus highlight. John Pombe Magufuli Bridge, officially also known as Kigongo-Busisi Bridge, spanning Lake Victoria between Kigongo, that is Mwanza region, and Busisi, Geita region in Tanzania. The bridge spans approximately 3.2 kilometers with an additional 1.66 kilometer of access roads, making its total infrastructure length around 4.86 kilometers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into infrastructure that shape our world. See you on the next video.